In Penang, everyone has an opinion about noodles. And most of them are held with quiet confidence. This place, Tok Tok Mee bamboo noodle, stands out because it refuses to let an old technique disappear. Tok tok is the sound made when dough is pressed with a bamboo pole. That rhythmic tapping you sometimes hear at the front of the shop isn't for show. It's how these noodles are still made. Using bamboo to knead the dough is a method most shops quietly left behind years ago. Inside, the space is clean, air-conditioned and efficient. A welcome break if you've been walking Georgetown under the sun. If you're lucky, you'll catch the noodle making through the glass. It's quiet, physical work. Service here gets mixed reactions. Some diners meet warm, efficient staff. Others describe encounters that feel curt or distant. But the kitchen runs like clockwork. Even when it's busy, the bowls come out fast. Now the noodles. These are juk sing, bamboo egg noodles, thin, springy, neatly bundled. They're not drowned in sauce, just lightly coated. This is restrained Cantonese flavouring, soy forward, gently savoury, enough oil to carry aroma, not enough to weigh things down. Lift the noodles and they separate cleanly, no clumping. Texture-wise, they're elastic and light. Some people love that bounce. Others call it a gimmick. Add the sambal chili, that's important. Just a little heat lifts the whole bowl, adding depth where the base seasoning holds back. The wontons are compact and tightly wrapped. The filling is finely minced and reasonably seasoned. During dinner though, they feel a little soft, as if they've sat in broth longer than ideal. The char siu is rustic, not glossy. Grainy, pork forward, lightly sweet. At dinner, it feels a little muted. Earlier in the day, it would almost certainly be warmer, juicier, and more aromatic. The side broth is clear and lightly amber. It's meant to refresh the palate, not steal the spotlight. On the side, the fried shrimp dumplings bring contrast. Crisp exterior. Coarse, savoury filling with bits of shrimp and meat. Price-wise, bowls run around 9 to 13 ringgit. Reasonable, especially for a Michelin-recognised spot in a tourist-heavy area. But it's also a love it or leave it place. The bamboo noodles are the anchor. Elastic, light, handmade. If you're expecting bold, punchy flavors, this might feel too restrained. If you appreciate craft and texture, there's a lot to like here. My dinner visit landed somewhere in between. Nothing was bad, but nothing quite sang either. If you're deciding when to come, go for breakfast or lunch. Morning is when you're most likely to catch the bamboo noodles being made. It adds rhythm, context, and a quiet sense of why this place still matters. It's also when the char siu is fresher, the wontons tighter, and the broth livelier.